Hi everyone and welcome back to the Shabby Dollhouse. It's Laura. I am super excited to be sharing with you this beautiful design team box I received from Martha at Bird and Barn Designs. Now these wood items will be available in her Etsy shop and they are manufactured by redhillfiber, which is owned by her daughter. So let me go ahead and get started and share these with you. I am super excited to share them. So she sent these and also some goodies for us to play with. So I'm so excited about this. So let me get it open. And I believe this is the wood items. We'll see. I did not open the box. Well, I opened the box, but I didn't look through anything. Oh, look at how beautiful all of these are. Oh, how pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Martha. So if you don't remember, quite some time back, they had made these beautiful lace hanger sets, and they are still available in Martha's Etsy shop. So this is some beautiful paper here. I don't want to rip it. So I have no idea what's in here. So I'm just going to be as excited as you to see. So everything is individually wrapped. Let's start with this one. Okay. Now there is some other ladies on her design team, and their channels will also be in my description box down below. So I'm not sure what these are, but I guess we'll find out when we open this, right? Oh my goodness. Look at how adorable. Oh my gosh. Aren't these the cutest? These are adorable. Look at the detail. Oh my gosh. So what we're going to be doing is altering all of these, whether it's painting or decoupaging or staining. But I just love these. They are the absolute perfect size for your laces. Oh my goodness. Aren't they adorable? And I'm assuming this goes on them somehow. I guess the top of them. So let's get into the second package. Let's see here. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful this is. It's got it wrapped with this beautiful ribbon. And this beautiful applique on here. Oh my goodness. How cute. This is adorable. So we have these tiny little bobbins here for your threads, your skeins, whatever, I don't know how you say it. Your sewing threads. Beautiful. Look, it's got the hearts in the middle. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. So she gave me 6 of them. They're so cute. And a little bit of yarn here. It's so soft. Okay, this says Wild Sage Wool. And this is their information for their shop. They are amazing. They make everything themselves, and it's just absolutely amazing. Everything that they do. Oh my goodness, how sweet is that? Okay, let's get into the next one. Gosh, this paper is just stunning. I hate to rip it. Let me get that out of the way. So like it's Christmas. Oh, wow. Oh my word. Aren't these adorable? So this reminds me of a dress form. Isn't that amazing? Look at the detail in that. Absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to play with all of these. So I will be making a video and coming back and sharing with you how they look. So look how cute this is. So you can wrap your ribbon around, oh my gosh, through them to hold them together. And she sent 6 of them. How amazing for your laces and trims. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Martha and Lindsay. I'm going to get into what else she sent me. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, this is at the bottom of the package. Let me see. Oh, this is one of her beautiful bags that she decorated. Oh, I love it, Martha. How sweet is this? This is beautiful. That must be from one of her digitals. Oh, I love it so much. So Martha also does digitals. And she has a Ko-fi shop as well as an Etsy shop. So I will have both the links down below. So let me get this out my way so I can show you what else she sent me. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. There's a lot in here. Oh my goodness. Martha, you did not have to do this. I don't know where to open it. There we go. Let me move this out the way. Oh my gosh. Wow. Martha, you are such a sweetheart. So we have some beautiful ruffle pink lace on this corset dress form. I love that. So pretty. Ooh, this looks vintage. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, it's an old glove. Is it an old glove? No. It looks like it's a piece of a, this looks like it must be off of a dress, one of the arms maybe? I'm not sure, but that lace is so beautiful and vintage. How amazing is that? And we have some lace here, some lace trim. How pretty. You never have enough trims or laces. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the color of this. How amazing is that? So pretty. And we have some more pretty lace here. Oh, I love it. Ooh, this is stunning. Wow, that is amazing. Martha, that's so sweet. You did not have to send all of that. Beautiful. I'm not trying to rush, but I don't want the video to be too long. Oh, look at this beautiful satin. I love satin. Beautiful. It's the most beautiful ivory color. We have a pink one. Beautiful pink. So pretty. We have this other one here. Wow, that's so pretty. And it's a big piece. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty that is. Wow. That's some heavy stuff. Beautiful. I've never seen anything like that before. Oh, look at this. How beautiful is that? It's like ombre. Oh, wow. That's so beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Martha. Such a pleasure doing this with you. This is stunning too. Look at that. Wow. That is amazing. I think that this is, nope, we got 2 more left. This beautiful pink one here. That is so pretty. This is the softest fabric. Beautiful, beautiful details. And then we have this one here. That is gorgeous. Wow. So soft and beautiful. So let me make sure there's nothing else in the box. Okay, so like I said, I will have the links down below where you can find these adorable wood items that you can use in your craft room. They are so, so adorable. So I will be coming back, like I said, with another video where I have altered them. And I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. And please go check out the other ladies. And Martha will have her video up this weekend, I believe. So I will have all of the links down in the description box. Thank you all so, so much for watching. And thank you, Martha, so much. I just love you to death, my sweet friend. So I will be back soon. I also have some kits that I'm working on. I think that you ladies are going to absolutely love. And some projects. So I will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.